Hi, welcome back, boys and girls, to the mathscenter.com. This is a continuing series of videos that I like to talk about simple problems. And I continue here on the subject of probability, simple probability. All right. Before I forget, this is our website, the mathscenter.com. So do give us a like and share this video. Sorry about the thunder in the background. It's ridiculous. I live in a tropical country. And every afternoon it's been raining very, very heavily. So I do hope you can hear this video. All right. So now, people, if you check in the early videos, I've talked a lot about some simple exercises on probability. This simple exercises on probability is directed towards the IGCSE Maths exam. All right. And I think other exam boards like Edexcel, they also do examine this. Even our local exams do ask about this chapter on probability. So I continue with this series. For the earlier exercises, you have to scroll down and look at our earlier videos. Okay, I slowly built it up. So now this question reads like this. It says that let's say Lee is a driving examiner. That means the person who examines you and check that you're suitable to get your driving license. Quite nerve-wracking exercise to take a driving test, I know. So anyway, there's this person called Lee, and he is a driving examiner. It could be he or she. Now, let's say she, all right? She expects to pass 60% of all the drivers who are taking this test under her. 60% of drivers who takes this test under her. Okay, that means that she gives a 60% pass rate and therefore 40%. So this means 60% of all the candidates will pass and 40% will fail. Okay, right? That's not too bad. 60% pass, 40% will fail. Okay, I mean, if she's an examiner, you have a 60% chance of passing, 40% chance of failing. So now in a month, let's say month of May lah. In the month of May, 64 candidates fail under her. 64 candidates fail. Okay, 64 candidates fail. How many? The question is, how many took this test? How many took this test? This question is a probability. To me, it's also a proportionality. So basically, 64 candidates will fail, right? This 64 corresponds to the 40%. Okay, how many took this test? Why don't I take 100% over the 40 times the 64 candidates and see my answer? Because both pass and fail will take up 100%, right? 40 will fail, 60 pass. So 100 over 40 times 64. Therefore, 160 people is the total number of candidates. 160 people took the test. Quite easy, right? I repeat, what's so difficult? Probably a passing 60%, probably a failing 40%. Total number of candidates, 60 plus 40, 100. You either pass or fail. There's no third option. So if you have 64 candidates in, let's say, a month of May who fail, that means 64 corresponds to the 40% who fail. Now, this question says, how many took this test? They're asking you for 100% of that number of candidates. Hence, I use 100% over 40% times 64. Okay? Now, the question says, how many pass? Let's say it goes on part A and then part B. All you have to do is take 160 minus the number of failed, 64. You find that 96 pass. Therefore, 96 pass, 64 fail, this one pass, this one fail. The total is 160. Total number of candidates. Okay? Quite a simple question. Think a little bit. Okay? Think a little bit. Don't be in a rush. Okay, it works on logic. All right, I'll see you soon. Take care, be good. Keep to the SOP, stay out of crowded places, keep a social distance, please. All right, let's get over this horrible thing called the pandemic of COVID-19. All right, I'll see you guys. Take care, study hard. See you soon next week. Do give us a like and share a video on YouTube and Facebook with all your friends. Okay, it helps us to be out there and encourage us to go on further. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.